This is a list of categories.
Categories of what was flagged under Twitter as policy violations or different pieces of content that were deemed U.S. political misinformation. See weird things that are flagged. SAM means state-affiliated media. But in the data set, why is U.S. Pfizer docs flagged as possible misinformation? Now we go back to the baked cake example. You can see the cake, this is the cake, but you can't see what was used to make the cake. That's really what we need. It's just a small snapshot of data over a small period of time. But this is the first time the public has ever actually been able to look under the hood. And of course, people are like angry because they don't know what they're looking at and they want context. And I would love context too. And so it's almost the best way to describe it is I'm presenting the finished version. Like it's like a cake that's already been baked, but people want to know, okay, well, what ingredients went into that cake to make it the way that it is and how it looks? And the only way to do that, Ron, is to gain access to more files, which I don't have. And so that's why you're seeing all of this publicly play out on Twitter, or I don't have I think these other Twitter files, writers have direct access and communication with Ella Irwin or with Elon Musk or anyone over there to request records and files. I don't have that. I would very much like to have that so that I could share with people. You can see the detections, you can see tweets, and now you can see why those tweets were detected. But here's the underlying vocabulary that was used to train that model.